Okay, we'll see how to create a simple product for WooCommerce. So WooCommerce already this plugin we have already installed. Okay, so you'll get this product and you have to go to the add new product. So once you click in the add new product, okay, so this you have to give the product name. Let I'm giving means red t-shirt. Okay, now you have to give here the product description. Okay, so any description you can give, you can also copy that for practice. And okay, now see here, this is the product price setup. So the first step is general. So here you give the original price, what, and you can say the MRP. Let I'm giving 800 rupees, and then here I'm giving 500 rupees. In the sense, there will be a 300 rupees discount. Okay, you can schedule it from here in a particular day and time. This product will be displayed, or for particular time period. Okay, now if you go to the inventory part, there we have to give a SKU, that is the short name. So I am giving main red t-shirt. Okay, now here you have to give the uh, it is tracking the stock quantity and all this. This is stock management. So right now, let I have 10 stocks in my inventory, and this is the threshold. Means if if I'm giving 5, so that means if uh, 5 products are sold, so I'll get automatic notification. Okay. So once this is done, so here it is another is product short description, which actually will display while we select the product. So here I have given eye-catching red t-shirt. Okay. Now I have to select the product image. Go to the product image and set from the library, or you upload it from your disk, wherever it's stored. So I have in my media library, so I am selecting red t-shirt and set product image. So the product image will show here, then simply publish. Okay. Okay. So that has been published. So we can simply see it from here. So this product is published. And now if we see the view product, we should see it in our web page. So this is showing this means red t-shirt. What I have given the name, product name. So this is not okay. So see, my stock is 10, and I can buy one, or whatever might be the quantity. I can add to cart, and this is the SKU. That time what we have seen, main red t-shirt. Okay. So if we bring your cursor here, we can see every part of the t-shirt. Okay. If we click here, it will give me the full image. So these all feature is inbuilt. Okay. And this page is coming, it's the theme. Okay. Now if I just select it, add to cart, so you see that the price MRP is given, then 500 we had given, so this was the discounted price. Okay, so it's looking attractive, it is coming here as sell. So if we do add to cart, so it is showing that has been added to your cart. Now if you see from view cart, so it will show you. Okay, so now if you have a coupon, that will be discussed later, so further discount. Okay, and then proceed to checkout, the payment page will come. Fine, so this much is okay.